Good morning. How y'all doing? It's a beautiful day here in Lone Star State. Today I'm gonna do the tires rotation. Again, not a lot of people knows how to rotate their tires or change their tires. So that's what we're gonna do today. It's a beautiful Sunday, and I'm gonna take the front tires and put them at the back, basically rotating them, removing the front tires and installing them at the back, and the back tires comes to the front. So that's what we're gonna do today. All right, bear with me guys. Just gonna jack up the car. So I'm gonna jack up the car, and I'm gonna jack it in the middle so that I raise both tires. This impact is very noisy. I'm just gonna use this earplug to block the noise. Hope I'm not gonna wake up my neighbors today, kind of in the morning, very early in the morning, around 9 o'clock. Just loosen them. I just want to show you before I start jacking it up, I had to make sure that I have the tires locked right there. Right there. Well, you have to make sure that the car doesn't roll down on you. All right, so let's jack it up and see how it goes. So you can see the front tires and the back tires are up. You can see, so I can just rotate them without rejacking it up again. Right. So let's do the back tires. So I want to show you side by side how important it is to rotate the tires. So this was in the front and this at the back, so you can see the difference. You should rotate your tires every 5,000 to 7,500 miles. This helps in distributing wear more evenly across all 4 tires. So that's basically what I'm doing right now. You can see the front tires, since it's handled most of the steering, it wears quicker than the rear ones. There you go. Just have to be careful when inserting it. My dad taught me, when you're putting back the bolt, you always do them opposite each other. you remove the tires, you have to inspect and check if this speed sensor, I need to replace it, because when I was replacing the wheel bearing, I may have a broken part there. So I'll show you in my next video how to do that. Nothing concerning. Let's put back the tires. There you go. I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. This can save you a lot of money, my friends. It's all about saving money and safety. That's number one priority. That's exactly why we're doing this. Safety and saving money. Because yesterday when I was driving in the rain, I was hydroplaning and I didn't like it. That's why I vowed to do the tires rotation to avoid skidding in the rain. There you go. Fun stuff, innit? I'm gonna lower down the jack. And you're gonna try to tighten it when the jack is lowered. That. I'm gonna do that to all of the four wheels. Alright guys, basically that's how you rotate the tires. If you don't know how to do this, please visit your local tire store. They can charge you around 50 to 100 bucks to rotate your tires and also to check your brakes. Like I said before, safety first, and it's very important you rotate your tires. So please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And you support me so that I can produce more of these videos. Otherwise, you have a good day and see you next time. Thank you.